In this video, we will see how Chuskit of Ladakh started going to school. Today is Monday and it is almost time for Bittu to go to school. But Bittu is not ready yet. He is still lying in his bed.
Bittu, you're not ready yet. Don't you have to go to school today?
Grandpa, today I will not go to school.
But why? Haven't you done your homework today?
No, Grandpa, I have done my homework. But yesterday I scored too many runs in cricket, due to which I had to run a lot. Maybe that's why my legs are paining today.
Then you will also have to carry a stick like me.
Do you ever have trouble going to school like Bittu? Why does it happen?
Bittu, pain in your feet is nothing. Some children cannot even use their feet. But still they go to school.
But then how do they go to school?
Bittu, don't you know about Chuskit?
Chuskit? Who is that?
Okay, let me tell you her story. Chuskit lived in Skitpo Pul village in Ladakh. There was a school in the village which was very close to Chuskit's house. All the children in the village used to attend that school. But Chuskit did not attend the school even though she was 10 years old.
But why, Grandpa?
Do you know why Chuskit didn't go to school? Do you know about any child around you who does not go to school? Why doesn't he or she go to school?
Bittu, she had a problem in her legs since birth, because of which she could never walk. And that's why she couldn't even go to school.
Oh, Grandpa. But what did she do at home all day?
Chuskit used to make drawings sitting near her window. And Bittu, she made beautiful drawings.
But still, Grandpa, it might be frustrating for her to sit all day in the same place.
Right, Bittu. Even Chuskit's Abale thought so.
Abale? Who is this?
In Ladakh, they call their father as Abale and mother as Amale.
In Ladakh, Papa and Mummy are called Abale and Amale. By what name do you call your father and mother?
Bittu, Abale brought Chuskit a wheelchair so that she could go everywhere on her own. She started using it to roam around the house on her own.
Have you ever seen a chair with wheels? Why do you think people use it?
Chuskit was very happy after getting the wheelchair. But every morning, when she saw children going to school, she used to get a bit sad. Seeing those children, she also felt like going to school.
Grandpa, what did Chuskit do then?
One day, Abdul came to Chuskit's house to give a letter. Abdul asked Chuskit the reason for her not going to school. Chuskit told him that her father could not pick her up every day and take her to school. And she could not go to school by herself, even if she wants to. Because the way to the school is bumpy and there is also a river on the way which is difficult to cross.
Then what did Abdul do?
Upon hearing all this, Abdul decided to take Chuskit to school.
If you were in place of Abdul, what would have you done to take Chuskit to school?
Abdul talked to the school children and teachers about this. Then one day, a group of all those children leveled the ground in front of Chuskit's house, and the other group leveled the ground near the river. And with the help of the teachers, he made a bridge with wooden boards on the river, which made it easier for Chuskit to cross the river. And by the time it was evening, they finished all this work also.
Oh wow! They did all the work in one day.
Yes, Bittu, if you do some work diligently, even difficult things could be done quickly.
I understood. Grandpa, did Chuskit go to school then?
Yes, Bittu, Chuskit was very happy to see all this. And the next day, she started moving her wheelchair to school. Her father and mother were also very happy to see all this.
Bittu was very surprised to learn about Chuskit's struggle. Bittu began to think that if Chuskit could go to school despite having a leg problem, then why couldn't he go to school with only pain in his leg?
Grandpa, Chuskit is very brave. She goes to school despite having a leg problem. I will also go to school every day, like Chuskit, from today.
That's right. But Bittu, if you are in a lot of pain, then you don't have to go today.
No, Grandpa, it is not paining that much now.
Okay, Bittu, then go and take a quick shower or else you will be late for school.
Bittu takes a quick shower and gets ready for school. Summary. In this video, we saw how Chuskit of Ladakh started going to school.